So I'm walking on the Delaware Canal here towards the new bridge that was built just north of the Black Bass Hotel in Lumberville. You can see here they've excavated for water to be in the canal, but water is not in the canal. And I've got this interesting old house here I've never seen before. Now I'm coming onto the new structure. Look, they built the culvert over the creek to put canal water in. No water. Laid down some new gravel. I'm gonna walk across it. Here's for the canal water to flow over the creek. Coming across the bridge. And that's about it. Then I'll turn around so we can see it. There it is. There's my cousin Rob. And that's our tour of the new bridge.